All right, here we go. Should be like flight number 5 or 6, somewhere around there. Today been like one of the best days to fly because all the rest of the days have been like crazy windy. You can still see it's kind of windy a little bit right now. I think one other thing why a lot of people went to drones is you don't have to deal with this kind of stuff here. You know, putting on canopies, but you gotta love doing this. You know, if you want to fumble around with this kind of stuff like this, you gotta love doing this. If you don't love doing this, you won't have fun. Okay. All right, let's go up in the air. Like I said, it's a good flying bird. Yeah, still got a little wind. You can tell by my flag on the pole there. Yeah, these things are not really that good in the wind. I mean, now some people can fly really good in the wind. I mean, because they're good. So I'm a lot better than what I was a few flights ago, but I'm no expert yet. I don't want to crash, man, because if I crash, definitely want to do some fixing. And I don't know if I want to fix it again or just leave it alone. But knowing me, I'll probably end up just buying a new one, sell the crash one. Yeah, the wind kind of picked up a little bit. Look at my flag and tell how much wind we get. But every once in a while, I get up to like about 12. See the wind get up under these blades and it picks it up or pulls it down. They gotta come in and check a battery check. Do a battery check. So I don't get no more than about 6 to 8 minutes on flights. Yep, 7%. Yeah, that's the end of that flight there. That was quick. So I'm gonna assume that probably about 5-6 minutes, somewhere around there. But anyway, guys, I hope you like that. I got to do more research and see if I can go with a I don't know if the electronics, especially gyro, if it will handle a full sail. I would love to go to a full sail on this helicopter. I would love to be able to do that with a little more power, and then that would give me a little bit more flight time, you know. But I would love to go with a you know, a full sail. But I'll keep you guys updated. But if you like it, hey, give me a thumbs up. Give me a got any questions, answer. Like I said, I always love this. I mean, the drone is cool, but this just keeps you more into it. Like I said, it's like driving a high horsepower manual car with no ABS, no traction control, no blind spot warning, no lane assist, no none of that. It's just you against the machine and you to control it. All right, love everyone. Peace out. Bye.